Why your car won't start. Common causes and easy troubleshooting. Guide. Few things are more frustrating than getting into your car, turning the key, or pressing the start button, only to find that nothing happens. A car that won't start can be caused by several different issues, but understanding the most common reasons can help you identify the problem before calling a mechanic. The number one cause is a dead or weak battery. If your dashboard lights are dim, the headlights are weak, or you hear repeated clicking sounds, the battery may not have enough power to start the engine. In many cases, a jump start can get you moving, but if the battery is old, it may need to be replaced. Another common issue is a faulty starter motor. If you hear a single click but the engine doesn't crank, the starter or starter solenoid could be failing. This usually requires professional repair. If the engine cranks but doesn't start, the problem may be related to the fuel system or ignition system. A clogged fuel filter, failed fuel pump, worn spark plugs, or a faulty ignition coil can prevent the engine from firing properly. Sometimes the issue is as simple as corroded or loose battery terminals, which interrupt the electrical connection. Cleaning the terminals and tightening the connections may solve the problem. Modern vehicles also have security and immobilizer systems. If the car doesn't recognize the key or key fob, it may prevent the engine from starting, even though everything else appears normal. To avoid unexpected breakdowns, maintain your battery, replace worn spark plugs on schedule, and keep up with regular vehicle servicing. If your car still won't start after basic checks, it's best to have it diagnosed by a qualified technician. Regular maintenance not only improves reliability, but can also save you from expensive repairs in the future. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more practical